In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the trigonometry function. The question is, find the maximum value and the minimum value of the function y is cosine x squared subtract 2 times sine x plus 1. Now, let us to solve this problem. First, we are changing the cosine x squared into sine x squared. Cosine x squared equals to 1 subtract sine x squared. Here, subtract 2 times sine x plus 1. Now, we combine similar terms. Here, negative sine x squared subtract 2 times sine x plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, we bring out the minor sign, so subtract here sine x squared, here plus negative positive, so negative times positive is negative, so plus 2 times sine x, here plus 2. This equal to negative sine x squared plus 2 times sine x plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 1 subtract 1 here plus 2. This equals to negative sine x squared plus 2 times sine x plus 1. Negative times negative is positive, positive 1 plus 2. This equals to negative sine x squared plus 2 times sine x plus 1. This term is sine x plus 1 square, then plus 1 plus 2 is 3. So when sine x equals to negative 1, y equals to sine x equals to negative 1. Negative 1 plus positive 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. So y is 3. When sine x equals to positive 1, y equals to negative. Sine x is positive 1. Positive 1 plus 1 square plus 3. This equals to negative 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4 plus 3. This equals to negative 1. So y maximum value of y is 3. Minimum value of y is negative 1. Now we see next page. The orange curve is a given function. The blue curve is y equals to sine x. When sine x equals to negative 1, y is positive 3. So when sine x is negative 1, y has maximum value 3. When sine x is positive 1, y is minimum value negative 1. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.